Hi and welcome to Trendy's Short Hairstyles Lookbook. Get only the best short hairstyles and haircuts pictures from this channel. Remember to watch video till the end. Also remember to leave us a like and get subscribed to get more as we upload daily. Thank you. Hello there beautiful ladies, thank you so very much. You'll find 100 plus gorgeous black women low maintenance short haircuts picture ideas right here. You'll find Pixie low cut as well as TWA hairstyles and haircuts to give you great inspiration, especially if you maintain a natural hair type. You're going to find variations of very low haircuts or very short haircut inspiration right here to give you that wonderful look as a lady that loves to look good on a short hairstyle. Great inspiration right here all through for you. Beautiful hair color inspiration, especially the blonde color hair type. So many beautiful and amazing hair color ideas and haircut inspiration right here. You can find haircuts with lines, designs. You can find haircuts with variations of hair color. It all depends on what you like and what you prefer, and we do encourage you to watch through the end as you come to find styles that you may have not seen before, or you probably want to try out today, or probably you're looking for a reminder haircut. You're definitely going to see lots of amazing ideas right here to give you that feeling of getting that haircut that you probably missed out on before. Do not forget to leave us a like. Do not forget to share the video with friends and family. Do not forget to keep coming back for more, and also do not forget to watch our previously uploaded videos. Great ideas and inspiration for you as a black woman or woman of black descent. Lovely time to look good on short hairstyles and haircuts. Go right ahead and check out again the video through the end. Let us hear from you. Keep coming back for more. Keep sharing our videos with friends and family, and also always stay tuned to all that we'll be bringing forward to you, because we are here to help guide you when it comes to making the right styles choice for your short hair. Thanks again for watching. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye. Thanks for watching this video. Watch the previous as well as the next video. Get subscribed, leave us a like and also comment on our description tab.